Starting around 26 October 2023, Velo explicitly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.81% in most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious way. Velo basically has an especially all-out market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358, which sort of is genuinely critical. This fundamentally makes Velo exceptionally positioning at 593 in the digital currency market. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo truly be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Is Velo a sort of wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they certainly thought? Will Velo cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking? These basically are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, exhibiting how this sort of makes Velo in every way that really matters, positioning at 593 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Velo cost by and large is supposed to basically cross a by and large normal value level of $0.003, the normal by and large least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the truly current year ought to especially be $0.003, which for the most part is very huge. Besides, Velo can really arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.003, showing that this by and large makes Velo truly positioning at 593 in the digital currency market in a very significant manner. Velo value gauge August 2023, the in every way that really matters, normal cost of Velo could all things considered go to $0.003 toward August 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner's end. Velo could truly be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $0.003, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.002. Velo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo for the most part is determined to essentially be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.003, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Velo value worth can in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.003, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Velo value conjecture October 2023, the genuinely normal cost of Velo could sort of go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023. Velo could in a real sense exchange around a for the most part greatest worth of $0.003, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.003. Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Velo could in every practical sense stretch around $0.003 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in a real sense is $0.003, with a very normal cost of $0.003 in a for the most part significant manner. Velo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the very most extreme cost for Velo could in a real sense stretch around $0.003, showing how besides Velo can sort of arrive at a greatest value level of $0.003, exhibiting that this sort of makes Velo exceptionally positioning at 593 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 for the most part is $0.003 with a by and large normal cost of $0.003, which essentially is genuinely huge. Velo's sort of past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been for the most part diminished by 1.94% in its ongoing worth fundamentally further appearance, how Velo value estimate October 2023 the by and large normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we generally look at the really current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down, kind of additional appearance how Velo for the most part has an all things considered, all-out market cap of $18,102,671 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358 in a very significant manner. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Velo generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45% in a significant manner. Velo truly has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely potential of late, and this could be certainly great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, which especially is genuinely huge. Inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo all things considered diminished by 61.745%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of $0.004 from its essentially current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a kind of good really purchase an open door for by and large fast venture, genuinely further appearance how Velo in every way that really matters has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change is near 13.96%, and the cost in a real sense coursed from an extremely least certainly normal cost of $0.003 to for the most part greatest sort of normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, showing how might Velo cost outperform its untouched high, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In sort of most recent 4 months Velo really has shown a developing pattern, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Subsequently, we really imagine that comparable pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, showing the way that Velo could be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $0.003 with the kind of least expected cost of $0.002 in a by and large significant manner. As per irrefutably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that the 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 13.96%, and the cost really coursed from a truly least especially normal cost of $0.003 to sort of greatest by and large normal cost of $0.003 in the sort of beyond 90 days. Showing how might Velo cost generally outperform its record-breaking exceptionally high in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost in an extremely significant manner. The coin certainly is up by 12.92% with the by and large greatest especially normal cost of the coin really was around $0.002 and the truly least sort of typical cost of generally was around $0.002 in beautiful beyond 4 months, which basically is very huge. Velo value estimate 2023 facts what will generally be Velo really worth in 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The Velo cost in a real sense